Hey guys, so I purchased this old laptop, this old Thinkpad off of eBay a little while back, and I've done at least a couple videos on this so far. And it's a pretty nice little laptop. It's old, but it's still pretty good. But the battery has not been lasting very long at all, so the battery has been dying pretty quickly on this, and I wanted to replace it. But rather than replace it, I'm going to attempt to replace the cells inside it. So I'm going to remove the cells inside it, purchase some new ones, and rebuild the battery. So that's what you see here. This is me attempting to open this battery up. Now, lithium-ion batteries can be dangerous, and there's a good chance if you do something wrong, connect the terminals or short them out or something like that, or damage them, puncture them, anything like that. They could explode, cause a fire, and there's a good chance you could end up getting yourself hurt. So, don't try this at home, and don't think what I'm doing is safe. What you see here is I actually don't know what I'm doing in this video. I've never done this before, and I'm not exactly sure how to avoid how to do this safely. And also, this one key takeaway from this whole process is that opening this battery pack, it's not intended to be opened. Like you basically have to break the tabs to actually be able to pull it apart. It's designed so you could kind of pull it apart, but realistically, to pull it apart, you have to break the tabs that hold it in place. If you don't break those tabs, it's just not going to come apart. It took a lot of effort to force and wedge that tool in place to actually pull that apart. But I was able to get at the batteries inside, and I was able to, they are standard batteries that you can order online. I'll put a link in the description where you could order the same batteries if you feel like it. I've done another video about lithium-ion batteries, about what to look for and where to buy them. But yeah, supposedly you can rebuild these. So I'm not going to be rebuilding them in this video. I'm still waiting for the replacement cells to come in the mail. But when they do arrive, I'm going to attempt to rebuild this battery, and apparently I'm going to need a spot welder and some metal strips to do this. So it's going to be interesting, but if it's successful, it's probably not worth the money I spent on the materials and the time. It's probably more cost effective to just buy a new battery. But I figured this would be a fun project, and it would be a great sense of accomplishment when I do it. So right now I'm waiting for the batteries and the other parts and stuff to come in the mail. Once they do, I'm going to give it a shot and see how it goes. So expect an update on this video. So that's another reason you're going to want to make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, just because we do, you're going to want to stay tuned. We have an update video for this coming up at some point. We also have a lot of other great content out too, so you're going to want to stay tuned for that as well. So go ahead and hit that like button, and you're going to want to hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on all the great content we have coming up. We'll also have a lot of great content we've already put out, so you're going to want to go ahead and look at that history of videos that we have, and make sure you also hit the bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube's not going to let you know when we do come out with a new video. And again, you're not going to want to miss some of the stuff we have coming up. So yeah, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon, and more importantly, leave a comment down below. Not just for me, but for the next person who comes along and watches this video. They'll see your comments and be that much more informed. If you know something I don't know, leave a comment down below. Any comments, questions, criticisms, whatever you want to say, we do want to hear it. So leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.